Today feels like summer. The sun is beautiful. I have a little campfire going, cleaning up some garden waste, dead plants and crap like that. Got some work done on the roof. Another coat of the Rhino Liner. Sorry, wrong brand. Herculiner, the superior one, Herculiner. I applied it myself. I got everything covered. There's no more red showing through, and I dripped a little bit, but it kind of looks sick. So I think I'm going to go with that and do another coat and give it like a bleeding black look on the red paint. It's actually kind of cool. That's what you're watching now. Enjoy the video, and thank you for tuning into my channel. I love you. Have a beautiful day. Please like, subscribe, and share. I don't talk through this video except for this part right here, and at the very end, I'm going to say something. So, have a beautiful day. I hope you all are enjoying this amazing weather. If you're anywhere near me, your weather is absolutely... oh, man. I'm sweating. I'm wearing a sweater. But I am sweating. So, thank you for watching in advance. Enjoy the video. Please leave a comment. Have a nice day. She says I should be wearing a mask to do this. I don't think it's a good enough reason to waste an NBC filter. What do you guys think? And I got some left over. I got most of it. So I think I'm just going to pour this on the top and roll it out and see what happens. Let's take a look. Hold on. Freaking beautiful out here. Can't believe it's beginning of January. We're almost halfway through the month. My wound is healing.
Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point in delaying what we both already know. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me. We could rent a room and watch the stars dance round the moon. Fall asleep to the sounds of the sea. With you right by my side, it's such a sweet life. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me. Nowhere else to be. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me. Nowhere else to be. Escape this time with me.
It's in the air, you feel that. It's bringing back images. We're making our way at long last, feeling like a new day. If you can find it now, you're gonna see.
So we got that part by the cab, the middle part that wasn't leaking anyways, but still wanted to get hit. It was ugly not being black and being red. We got it done. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm at the front facing camera. Hey, my case is cracked. Huh. Alright, well, gotta get a new phone case. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful